This is the mousey. Come on, little mousey. This is the snake. How long she had to eat the mousey? I don't know. She already eat one like around an hour ago. This is the second one. Look her face. Oh my gosh. He said, I want to eat ya. I want to eat ya. Little mousey, come over here, little mousey. Little mousey's hiding, baby. There we go. Ooh, he touched you. Oh, he ran away from home. He went away. Oh, little mousey. Mommy want to eat ya. Mommy's hungry. Look. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Ooh, Mina. She's real hungry. She's following him. Oh! Other one. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No, you cannot run. You cannot hide. You cannot hide. You cannot hide. Too late. There we go. Better. Epa, mommy. Ooh, tasty. Yummy. Come on, little more closer. Little more closer. There we go. That you have in face breaker. Eat that. There we go. Play with your mousey. Play just a little bit. Mousey wanna run. Mousey wanna run for home. Ooh, snap! So quick like that. Wait. A little bit closer. Is he alive? Look. This. Look. You see the feet? You see your feet? Still alive. Oh. Ooh. You're not dying yet. And you know where's the area is she taking him? By her neck. Right there. We can see her face over here. Little mousey. Mousey, you are still alive. Bling, mousey. Bling. Ooh, squeeze it. Yeah, you see the mouth? Right there. And the neck. 5 point. She loose. Ooh, you see that? No, come on. Let me see. You see the hole in her neck? Oh, juicy, Papa, juicy. Now, she waits a little bit. She's trying to figure it out. Oh, right away, girl. Right away. That's yummy. Right away. By her head. Yummy. Ay. Yum. Real good. Yum. she have her head and 1 feet inside the mound. To steal the whole body to finish it up. It's a lot of progress. So she had to open her throat and give a swallow. That's awesome. Ready? Because we had to leave. We had to go to school. Come on, girl. You're fine. No. Hopefully you not bite me no more. No more, girl. No more. Come on. Lose a baby. Lose a baby. Side to side. Side to side. Swallow the pitch. mami. Ese huesito ahí. You happy now, baby? Huh? You want to give me candy, baby? Huh? Go sleep, baby, now. $12 minutes. She finished 1 mousy. Wow, girl. Read the record. And now, where's the mousy? You can see? No. And she already have it all right there. Right there, mira. The 1 mousy is around here. Around here, this 1 mousy. The second mouse is around here, this part. So she have a 2 mouse over here. And this is the rest of the body. Awesome. Good girl. Bye-bye. Well, we have a, 45 seconds to complete? Okay. We keep watching, girl. Right there.